The Nilgai antelope. Nilgai means blue cow in Hindi. And you can see where they get their name from. Males are distinctly blue. That is a male right there. And they have cow-like bodies. The inhabitants of India believe that those antelopes, right there, actually that antelope right there, is a cow, which suits him probably just fine because there's religious prohibitions against eating cows in India. The large herd of cattle here are Indian Gaur cattle. They're the largest of the wild cattle. They can top out at up to 2,000 pounds. And if you get closely enough, you might be able to see their blue eyes. Usually you can't. The deer that are right in the valley right there are, I believe, the most beautiful of all the deer. Those are Fair-Singed deer, which is a lovely name for those lovely animals. They're golden color. They keep that color their whole lives. A little less lovely. They're sometimes called Indian swamp deer. Right across the way, you can see 2 Indian rhinos and another 2 right up near the fence line. If you notice the ones right up to the fence line, you'll notice they're a little darker. That's just because they just came up from the water hole. Indian rhinos spend much of their time rolling around in the mud. That's because even though they have very thick skin, about 3/4 inch thick, it is exceptionally sensitive. And so in order to keep from being burnt by the sun, or bitten by insects for that matter, they'll roll around, get a nice coating, and that keeps them nice and safe. The upshot, though, is that you will basically never see a clean rhino.